Hey guys, I'm Lee with Maz Ocean, and today we're on Motor Yacht Hülya. It's a 2019 63-foot Lagoon. We had previously done a navigation system upgrade on this boat, and the customers were super happy with our work, so they requested that we come back and install a lithium system as well as integral alternators. So that's what we're currently working on. So we're going to jump down in the technical locker here and take a look at the progress we've made on the lithium system. We're here in the generator locker on Hülya, which is where we are going to house all of our lithium batteries and our charging and inverting equipment, as well as our battery management system. So what we have to start with is a 10 battery bank for our 48 volts. We've got 5 batteries wired in series sets of 2s to give us 48 volt. So what we end up with is 1400 amp hours of capacity specifically for our 48 volt system. Additionally, we have two 10,000 watt Quattros here, which each provide 140 amp of charge to the 48 volt bank, as well as 20,000 kVA of inversion. In addition to our 48 volt bank, we also have a 24 volt lithium bank, which consists of two 230 amp batteries wired in parallel to give us 460 amp hours of capacity. Charging the 24 volt bank, we have a Victron Skyla charger. We have a 2000 watt inverter over here that runs off of our 24 volt bank as well. And then if we look over here, we have our 48 volt battery management system. We're using MG's BMS as well as MG batteries. And then we have a 24 volt MG BMS to run our 24 volt bank. We've installed DC to DC chargers to go from 48 to 12 volt in case of emergencies, in case we ever have an issue with the Skyla. So in order to do all this, it takes a bit of rearranging of existing wiring. As you can see, we've got the existing positive and negative bus bars over here, and what we've essentially done is created our own bus bar system down here for our batteries to interface with our battery management system. This gives you a pretty good idea of what it takes to actually install one of these systems to refit on a vessel of this size. So we're looking at the battery box construction right now on Hülya. What we've done is removed the house battery bank that comes from the factory, as well as the fiberglass battery boxes, and we've put down black starboard. And then we've had a company that we work with, JC Marine Services and Fabrication, build us a custom aluminum box here. So what we'll have in the end is 10 of these batteries, and we'll have starboard, non-skid starboard over the top that will cover everything so that the owners can still use this area for storage. We're in the salon right now. We are looking at the displays that we've mounted for both the 24 volt and 48 volt lithium systems. We have a Victron and an MG display here. I anticipate we'll be done in a couple of weeks, and at that point we can jump back on and I'll give you guys a full rundown of all the features that both of these systems offer, and I'll show you guys around what the display and the user interface looks like.